What comes to your mind when the term Dark Ages is mentioned? A time of barbarism, wars, and ignorance? The reality, however, is far different. The so-called Dark Ages, or the medieval period, is an interesting time in human history often misunderstood due to lack of knowledge. The medieval period saw an explosion of art, literature, and learning. It was a time of great innovation and creativity. We often associate the Dark Ages with crude weaponry and violence, but the medieval period was also a time of great advancements in technology. The inventions of the plow and the horse collar made farming more efficient, leading to agricultural surpluses and population growth. The medieval period was also a time of great political, religious, and cultural change. It saw the rise of powerful kingdoms and empires, the spread of Christianity, and the birth of European culture. The medieval period was also an age of great scholarship. Monks in monasteries preserved the knowledge of the ancient world, translating and copying ancient Greek and Latin texts. These texts would go on to influence European thinking and spark the Renaissance. So, why the misconception? The term Dark Ages was coined during the Renaissance, when people looked back at the medieval period as a time of ignorance and barbarism. However, this view is far from the truth. The so-called Dark Ages were not dark at all. In fact, it was a time of great cultural, intellectual, and spiritual development. It is important to understand and appreciate the contributions of the medieval world to human progress.